In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a container in Wix Studio for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, understanding how to effectively navigate and utilize Wix Studio can make a significant impact on your web design projects. Let's dive into the process together. First off, we're going to head over to Wix.com. This is your launching pad where all the magic starts. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials at this stage. Once you're in, your dashboard will display all your projects and options. Next, you'll want to click on Design Site. You'll find this option in your dashboard for the project you're working on. It's a straightforward step that transitions you from your dashboard to the main part of your workspace in the Wix Studio's editor. This is where you can start crafting and designing your site to match your vision. After that, in the editor, look for the Add button. This feature is crucial, as it allows you to incorporate new elements into your design. You can find it typically represented with a plus symbol in the sidebar or top menu. Clicking it opens a menu of options for various elements you can add to your page. Now here's where it starts to get specific. Among the elements, you need to select Box. This choice is essential for creating structural components in your design. Boxes in Wix are versatile, enabling you to create distinct sections like headers, footers, and sidebars. Clicking on Box will present you with subsections under it. Following that, you click on Container Boxes. This option allows you to design flexible and stylish layouts. Container boxes in Wix act as holders for other elements like text, images, and buttons, making them integral in laying out a responsive and structured web page. They provide the flexibility of rearranging and customizing each section of your page according to your needs. Finally, place the container box wherever you want it on your page. Position it carefully to ensure that it fits within your design layout. Once satisfied with its placement, don't forget to hit save. This is a crucial step as it ensures that all your hard work is preserved and your changes won't be lost. You wouldn't want to accidentally close the editor and lose your progress. And there you have it. With these steps, you can incorporate a container into your Wix Studio project, customizing your website layout just the way you envisioned it. If you follow along carefully, you should find it straightforward, and with a bit of practice, you'll be adding containers like a pro. Remember, web design is all about experimentation, so don't hesitate to try out different approaches. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.